Okay, so in this one, we're given the following premises. I have P is you love bananas. Q is you're a monkey's uncle. And R is your nephew is a chimp. So I need to write these, I need to express the following in words. I have Q implies P. So what I do is I'll take Q, and so I use the conditional if you're a monkey's uncle, then what's P? You love bananas. So then you love bananas. Okay. And B, I have not R implies not P. So this says, well, I need to take the negation of R. So your nephew is a chimp. You could say your nephew is not a chimp. So if your nephew, oops, I almost spelled nephew wrong, is a chimp, is not, because it's the negation, right? Is not a chimp, then I need to take the negation of P. Then you love bananas. Well, that becomes you don't love bananas, or you could then you hate bananas, but I'll then you do not love bananas. Okay, so C, we have our biconditional, which is Q. We got that left or right arrow there, and then we got R. So we can write our statement. You're a monkey's uncle. If and only if, so there's that's our double arrow there. So you're a monkey's uncle if and only if your nephew is a chimp. And we're almost done. Let's see. Am I going to be able to? Yeah, I'll squeeze it in. There we go. So Q and R. Well, again, you're a monkey's uncle. And your nephew is a chimp. So you can sometimes rewrite these a little bit easier to make them sound more Englishy. If you're a monkey's uncle, then you love bananas. Okay, that sounds natural. If your nephew is not a chimp, then you do not love bananas. That's okay. You could say you don't love bananas. That's fine. You're a monkey's uncle if and only if your nephew is a chimp. Yes, you're a monkey's uncle and your nephew is a chimp. Yep. So that sounds, again, we don't usually it's very rare that you'll say that you're a monkey's uncle or that your nephew is a chimp. But for the sake of our exercise here, we've been able to translate Q implies P, not R implies not P, and Q if and only if R, and Q and R into English equivalent sentences.